Jai Hind, dear student. Till last session we had learned about multiplication of monomial to monomial and multiplication of monomial to binomial. That means we had learned about multiplication of monomial to polynomial. Now here we are going to learn about, in this session we are going to learn multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial. Means polynomial we have to multiply by polynomial. Let us begin with binomial by a binomial. So let me give you one example. For example, 2x plus 3y multiplied by 4x plus 5y. 2x plus 3y multiplied by 4x plus 5y. Now here 2x plus 3y, this is one term which is binomial. This is one expression, 4x plus 5y, which is again binomial. This is also expression which is binomial. This is also expression which is binomial. Now how to multiply it? So when we multiply it, first we have to multiply all this equation by 2x, that is 2x into 4x plus 5y plus 3y into 4x plus 5y. So what I had done, first let us take the first term of this expression, that is 2x, then 2x multiply with whole expression, then plus sign is there, so we have to write here plus. Second term, that is 3y, so again 3y multiplied by whole expression. So now let us begin. This will be 2x into 4x, which will be equal to 2 into 4, that is equal to 8x into x, 8x square, plus 2 into 5, that is 10x and y, so x, y, plus 3 into 4, that is 12x into y, that is xy, plus 3 into 5, that is 15y square. Now this can be written as 8x square, here it is 10x square plus 12xy, which will be equal to 22xy plus 15y square. So this is the answer. In this way we can multiply binomial to a binomial. First we have to take one term and multiply it by the whole expression, then again we have to take the another term and multiply by the whole expression, and then do the simplification. Let us do one more example. For example, 2a minus 4b into 3a plus 7b. Now here this is the binomial, this is also binomial. So first we have to this 2a into 3a plus 7b minus 4b into 3a plus 7b. This is what we had done here. First we had taken this term and multiplied this whole expression with them. Then sign is minus here, so we will take minus here. Then again multiply this whole expression with them. So 2a into 3a, which is equal to 6a square, 2 3 are 6, a into a is a square, plus 2 into 7, 14, a, b, minus 3, minus 4 into minus 3, that is minus 12, a into b, so ab. Then again here is minus into plus, so minus 4 into 7, which is equal to 28, b into b, that is b square. So the answer is 6a square plus 14ab minus 12, so plus 2ab minus 28b square. So in this way we will get the answer. Now let us see multiplication of binomial by trinomial. Let us take one binomial. For example, we can have 3m plus 2n. This is one binomial. Multiply by trinomial, they said. So that will be, suppose 4m minus 7n plus 5o. 3m plus 2n, this is the binomial. Here 4m minus 7n plus 5o, this is o, not 50. So this will be trinomial. Here it is binomial, here it is trinomial. Multiplication of binomial by trinomial. Here also we need to do the same thing as we had done here. First we will take one term, that is 3m, then multiply this with whole this, that is 4m minus 7n plus 5o plus 2n. So this is 4m minus 7n plus 5o. Same we had done as we are doing in binomial to binomial. Here also we need to do like this. 3m multiplied by this, first one term multiplied by the whole expression. Again here also one term multiplied by the whole expression. Then let us do the multiplication. 3 4s are 12. M into m, that is m square. 3 into 7 minus 21 m n. 3 into 5, so plus 15 m o plus 2n is there, so 2 into 4, that is 8 m n. 2 into minus 7, that is minus 14 n square. 2 into 5, so plus 10 n o. Now let us see the like, if there is any like term, let us bring it together. Only one like term is there, that is mn, so that will be 12m square minus, here it is 21m n plus 8m n plus 15m o minus 14n square plus 10n o. So this will be 12m square minus 21 plus 8 minus 21 plus 8 is equal to 13 minus 13mn, then plus 15mo minus 14n square plus 10no. Now no like term is there, so this will be the answer. So in this way we can solve or we can multiply binomial to a trinomial. First we have to take any one term and then multiply it by whole expression. In the same way we can take the second term and then multiply it by the again whole expression. Now let us see exercise 9.4. In exercise 9.4, question number 1, multiply the binomial, and that the first one is here given 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3 means we have to multiply it, so it's equal to, we can say 2x plus 5 multiplied by 4x minus 3. Now as we had done in example, this we can multiply as 2x into 4x minus 3 plus 5 into 4x minus 3. Now 2 into 4, that is equal to 8. X into x is x square. 2x minus 6x. 2 into 3, that is 6. And x is x, plus 5 into 4x, that is 20x. 5 minus 15. 5 3 is 15. Now this will be 8x square minus 6 plus, so plus 14x minus 15. So this will be the answer, 8x square minus 14x plus 15. Now let us see fifth one, question 5th in the same. Question number 5 says 2pq plus 3q square and 3pq minus 2q square. 2pq. Now again here also we need to multiply. It means 2pq plus 3q square multiplied by 3pq minus 2q square. Now this can be multiplied as 2pq into 3pq minus 2q square plus 3q square into 3pq minus 2q square. 3 to the 6. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. P into p, that is p square. Q into q, that is q square. Now 2 into minus 2, that is minus 2. P into p, q into q square, that is p q cube. Now again same thing here we need to do, that is plus 3q square. So 3 into 3, that is 9 q, p, q into q, that is q cube. 3 to the minus 6, q square into q square, that is q to the power 4. Again I am doing 2 3 the 6. P into p, that is p square. Q into q, that is q square. Here 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4. P is here, so p, q into q square, q to the power 3. 3 into 3, that is 9 q into q square into q, that is q cube. P is alone here, so p. 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6. Q square into q square is q to the power 4. Now this will be 6p square q square minus 4p cube plus 9. So this will be plus 4p q cube minus 6 q to the power 4. So answer is 6p square q square plus 5p q to the power 3 minus 6 q to the power 4. Now let us see question number 2. In question number 2 is find the product. Find the product. First one here it is given 5 minus 2x. Here it is 3 plus x. 5 minus 2x, 3 plus x. So we need to multiply it. That is 5 into 3 plus x. Here no sign is there. It means multiply. Minus 2x 3 plus x. 5 into 3, that is 15. X into 5x minus 6x minus 2x square. So this will be 15 plus 5x minus x, that is minus x minus 2x square. So the answer is 15 minus x minus 2x square. In the same way, let us do the fourth one. Fourth one here is a plus b into c minus d plus a minus b into c plus d plus 2 into AC plus BD. 2 into AC plus BD. The question is A plus B into C minus D plus A minus B into C minus D plus 2 into AC plus BD. So first we are going to simplify it. That is, first we are going to multiply this, then we are multiply this and then this. So this will be A into C minus D plus B into C minus D. A into C minus D plus B into C minus D plus A into C plus D minus B into C plus D plus this will become 2AC plus 2BD 2AC plus 2BD. Now this will become AC minus AD plus BC minus BD, AC minus AD plus BC minus BD plus AC plus AD minus BC minus BD plus 2AC plus 2BD. Now 2AC plus 2BD. Now we have to go for the like term together. So AC is here, so we can say AC plus, here it is AC, so AC then plus 2AC, AC plus 2AC. Now AD minus AD plus AD minus AD plus AD, then plus BC minus BC plus BC minus BC, then minus BD minus BD plus 2BD. So here we had done like term together, and when we do the like term together, it will be AC plus AC plus 2AC, then it is AD, so minus AD plus AD, then it is BC, so plus BC minus BC, then we have minus BD, so minus BD, like term is minus BD and plus 2BD. Now when we add it, it is AC plus AC, 2AC plus 2AC, that is 4AC. This AD and AD will cut in the same way, BC and BC will cut. Now minus BD, so minus 2BD plus 2BD, so this will also cut. So the answer is 4AC. So in this way we will get the answer, that is 4AC. This is the fourth one. This is the fourth one of question number 3. Again I am repeating, this is the fourth one of question number 3. By mistake I had done question number 3. It is the fourth one of question number 3, not question number 2, but it is the fourth one of question number 3. Now we will do the third one of question number 2. Again I am repeating, by mistake I had done the fourth one of question number 3, this one, A plus B into C minus D. This is the fourth one of question number 3. Now let us do the third one of question number 2. Let us continue question number 2. Here it is given that in third one, A square plus B, A plus B का whole square. So this will be A square plus B into A square into A plus B का whole square plus B into A, here we can say B into A plus B का whole square. So this will be A square into A, so it will be A cube plus A square into B square, so that will be A square B square. Now plus B into A, that is AB plus B into A, that is AB plus B into B square, that is B cube. Now here no like term is there, so we can say that the answer is A cube plus A square B square plus AB plus B cube. So in this way we can do the first one of third one of question number 2. Now let us come to question number 3. Question number 3, the first one is x square minus 5 x plus 5 plus 25. X square minus 5 x plus 5 plus 25. So first we will multiply this. So this will be x square into x plus 5 minus 5 into x plus 5. X square into x, that is equal to x cube, plus 5 into x square, that is 5x square, minus 5 into x, that is 5x. Sorry, here plus 25 is also there, so we are going to write plus 25, minus 5 into x, so it is 5x minus 5 into 5, that will be minus 25 plus 25, minus 25 plus 25. Now minus 25 plus 25 cut, so the answer is x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. So this will be the answer, x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. Now in question number 3, fourth one we had already done. Let us do the sixth one. Let us do the sixth one. Sixth one says that x plus y x square minus xy plus y square, x square minus xy plus y square. Now let us begin this. Again this also has same we had done, x into x square minus xy plus y square plus y also, y into again x square minus xy plus y square. Now when we simplify it, x into x square, that is x to the power 3 minus x into xy, so x square minus x square y plus x y square. Again here y into x square, so x square y minus x y square plus y cube. So after multiplying we will get this. So this will be x cube x square minus, so let it be together, x square y plus x square y plus xy square minus xy square plus y cube. So this will be x square y cut, x square y, this also cut. Answer is x cube plus y cube. So the correct answer is x cube plus y cube. This is the sixth one of question number 3. Now let us do the last one, that is the eighth one of question number 3, that is a plus b plus c into a plus b minus c. This is here trinomial to trinomial, that is polynomial to polynomial. Now here also again we have to do the same thing, a into a plus b minus c plus b into a plus b minus c plus c into a plus b minus c. Now this will become a into, to a square, a into b, to plus ab minus ac plus ab plus bc, b square, sorry, b into b, that is b square, b into c, to minus bc, again plus c into a, to ca plus c into b, that is cb, bc minus c square. Now let us do the like term together. So that will be a square plus ab plus ab minus AC plus AC. This is CA, that is AC. So minus AC plus AC, then AB is done, plus B square plus B square, then minus BC plus BC minus C square. So after like term the answer will be A square plus AB, यहाँ like term में साथ में AB है, then minus AC तो उसके साथ plus AC, then B square, then minus BC और plus BC. तो this will be A square AB plus AB, तो plus 2AB AC और minus AC plus AC cut, plus B square minus BC plus BC also cut, so that will be minus C square. So the answer, if we do it together, A square plus B square minus C square plus 2AB. So this will be the answer of question number 8, A square plus B square minus C square plus 2AB. So here we end our exercise 9.4. The remaining sum you have to do and in your homework. Thank you.